money. Okay, if it's free money, if you want to increase the money, you can decide to pay. Okay guys, but right now how to get this done with free, so that is what I will explain to you right now. Okay guys, so if you follow this description under this video, you will follow it and register if you are new. But if you are not new, just follow the step here. Okay guys, so it's very simple. Now right now you can see here that you have to come down to this area whereby you see home, purchase, community, and mine. Okay, so click on that mine. You click on the mine. So when you click on this mine now, you will be able to see that under this mine you will get to know, so it's yet to update. Okay, right now you will see now today, now this daily check-in, you have to come in and check. Okay, you can see now that I've checked in today. So after that, immediately you log in, you will see that. So you come to down this task, you can see tax, you can see finance. Okay, you can see subscription, you can see invitation, that is invite friend. All this is what you can do to make money. So under this task, what you are going to do is to click on this task now. If you click on the tax now, you can see today right now. So all this from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you have to visit all these sites. As you are visiting the site, it will be counting for you. You can see here now on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I did not visit any site. It didn't count. Okay, from Thursday, I visited 6 sites here. It counted, and Friday it counted. Okay, so today now immediately I log in is 1. So now if I go now, you can now see now open check in status. I've done that one. Visit Cubig Club. You just have to press on the open here, so it will take you down to those the advert there. Okay, it will take you down there. So let's, okay, right now guys, so as you can see it here now, you allow it to load up, okay. So as it load up now, so what you can do now is to start watching or just look at it from here now. You just have to be looking at this, and you can click on anyone here and on an advert. So just click on any advert here. Okay, you can click on this one. Just click on this crypto, this, so it will take you to down here as you see it here now. Okay, you can see many people. So this is how you earn money, by visiting all these tags. Okay, so you can see it here now. So if you now go back to your tax, let's go back to the tax now. So let me click on the tax now. So you can see now that on that Saturday before is 1, now it has shown 2. Okay, so that is how you will continue doing that. You know, I've done this visit club.club. So you now go visit little nanana. So that is how you make sure that you visit all this every time, every day you come here. So I don't want to visit the rest because of the time factors. Okay, so after that one now, you come down. Let's go back to, let me take you to finance, so that you now see how you earn money there. So if I go back to the finance now, so under this finance now, this is where your money calculated. So under this finance now, you can now see that in this finance, you can see this total. This is the second account I'm using here. I'm using this one for tutorial. So total asset right now, but this one is free, but this other one I subscribe $1. So because of many adverts, if you subscribe with $1, you will see a lot of adverts that you can create, so that your money will come up quickly. Okay, but this one is free. If you don't deposit with anyone, you just use it. That's why I use this second account for proper explanation. Okay, so you can now see the way the money now. So now this is 6 now. Before you know, it will be added up to this, and you can withdraw anytime when your money is up. So you can now see the way the money is coming in. You can see the transaction history here, how you are being credited. So you can see how you have been credited with this just free. So that is how you can easily make money free on Cubig Club. Okay, guys, so you can download this app on Cubig Club, or you follow the description here so that you can get this accurately. Okay, guys, so that is how you can make money with it. So let me just quickly explain. Let me go back to the home again, and under task. So some people, if you want to use money, if you want to subscribe so that you can subscribe, go back to the purchase. So under this purchase rate now, you can now see that you can subscribe just $1. So this $1 now, it will make you to get more adverts, and then your shares will increase. Okay, you can buy $1. My other account, I buy $1. So this second one, you can buy $10 base. But if you don't want to buy anything, just use the first one I told you. Just make sure that you are coming down to this, and every time, every day, to come in, and you get it. Before you know, it will ride up and you will withdraw directly to your account. Don't forget they are using BEP20 USDT. Okay, guys, so if you find this tutorial helpful, consider to subscribe to the channel, and you stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.